Hey YouTube, what's up? It's MLG Toxic here. Just gonna make a video on my friend's bike, basically a bike check. So in the front you got S&M bars. That's him, the owner of the bike. You got some ODA long neck grips. You got a FAF front tire 2.4 fat. You got the big bolts, and then you got an Odyssey front rim laced to a fit. I don't even remember what it was. You got 3-piece cranks. You got 3-piece GT cranks. They've been lasting pretty good. Plastic PC pedals, because you need those. I hate the metal ones. This side you got a 36.2 sprocket. This is my old race bike. Another GT thing. You got a KMC chain loose. You got a X Factor seat pivotal. You got a the truss evil video. We got a Fit FAF back tire and lace. What is it that? It's a Odyssey back tire. 8T driver laced to a fit tire. I don't remember what it's called. But yeah, that's the bike check. Rate, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the bike. For more content of Call of Duty gameplay and Minecraft gameplay, like the video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Later.